Hi and welcome, Lisa here, bringing you a product reveal with the Doodle Frames 4x11 stamps and coordinating dies. Now these items are sold separately, and the stamp set includes 14 stamps in total, 8 frames, and 6 words. Here's a closer look at the frames stamped and cut out. Now the dies are perfect for creating frames for your scrapbook layouts. They're perfect for stamping sentiments for your handmade cards or as journaling cards. Here I use the stamps and dies to create a fun and easy card with a simple reminder to smile. Now for more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website. Everything is linked directly below for you. As always, we appreciate you joining us. We hope you'll ring that bell to be notified when new content is added to the channel. And until next time, take care.